Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life, and welcome to hashtag Project Share Thursday. And I'm not in my craft room today because I am packing. We're getting ready to pack for vacation next week. We're leaving on Wednesday. So when we go on vacation and start packing, first we decide what suitcases we're bringing. So we have this one and this one. I think we're going to be packing both of those, plus bringing a carry-on and a backpack. And I have these two bags that I'm going to put probably something in. And in the process of packing, I decided to go ahead and start putting away sweaters and taking things out of my closet, which needs to be organized again. And so all of my journals are up there. You can see that. I need to get another box. I might have one in my office, I'm not sure. But those are all journals, that box and that box. I keep them there. And then I need to go through that. I think that's old t-shirts and stuff. And I need to go through that. You can see that I have bags, lots of tote bags. I've already put 2 bags in the Goodwill pile. This backpack right here, I don't know why I bought, I don't know when I bought this, but I used it probably for some trip. I'm going to save it. It's kind of on the smaller side. I think I'm going to put Sophie's name on it. So I'm going to keep that. This backpack, it's a big backpack. This is the backpack that the tour company gave us last year, or a couple years ago when we went to Greece. And so it's a big backpack, and it's a nice backpack, so I don't want to get rid of it, but we'll see. I don't know about that. And then here's some other bags there. I think maybe I'll clean that out and organize that. All the bags, like the, what do they call these? The bags that you put inside your suitcase, the packing bags. So I have a couple of sets of those. I like those. And so I'll keep them, but they just need to be organized. I'll show you this since I'm in here. Can you see how disorganized all my earrings and jewelry are? So some of them are hanging up here, and then I have all this out here that I haven't put away and all that. So just a bunch of fun costume jewelry, nothing expensive. So when we're gone, since Kaylee and Jake are going with us on our trip, my cousin and her husband will come over and watch our house with their 2 girls, and then her daughter, my niece, will organize this for me. She loves to do that, and I love for her to do it because she does such a great job. And I'm going to clean up. I cleaned up this area a little bit last week, I thought, but probably needs to be cleaned up a little bit more. So that's my project for today, working on cleaning out my closet, starting to get ready to get packed for our trip. There's always projects around the house. Oh, let me show you this project over here. Oh my goodness. So I don't know if I shared already that we had a leak downstairs in our kitchen. We'll come to find out it was leaking from the bathroom, and we weren't sure if it was the shower or the tub. And so the plumber came in and found that there was actually that pipe down there that connects both of them that needed to be fixed, and then also the pipe downstairs, so they put copper piping in. And then he also changed the fixture, which that needed to be changed as well. So, and then I'm sure we'll have to change these fixtures too at some point. So always projects around the house. All right guys, thanks for stopping by. Thank you to Mary Ellen for hosting hashtag Project Share Thursday every Thursday. Lots of friends hop on and show us whatever they're working on. I'll talk to you again soon.